What's the meaning of brace and bit? Brace and bit. Brace and bit.
Brace and bit. Brace and bit. Brace and bit is a type of hand tool used for drilling holes in wood, metal, and other materials. It consists of a handle known as a brace, which has a rotating grip, and a drill bit that attaches to the end of the brace. The user applies pressure to the brace while turning it to rotate the drill bit, creating a hole in the material. The result is a precise, clean bore hole without the use of power tools. This type of tool was commonly used before electric drills became widespread and is still used today for certain tasks requiring precision and control.